Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get an automatic onion generator. So what you want to need is you're going to want to have this thing. So first start off with a chest, industrial chest. These onions are not coming in. Okay. So start off with an industrial chest. Then put some conveyor belts. Also make sure the direction says in. Make a conveyor belt and place it like this direction. And then make a curve, craft a right conveyor belt, so it's leading to there. Then you want to make a big thing right here. Let me show you. So what you want to do is make tons of grass right here. Get onion totems, place them right in this direct formation. Place onions all around it, and that part's done. And if you want to make a second layer, you just do this, like do the right exactly like this, and just copy what you did for the bottom layer just in the top layer. So that's how you get an automatic onion generator. Make sure to like and subscribe if this tutorial helped you, and if you want to see more tutorials, do anything you can to support these videos. And if you want to see a specific tutorial, then comment down below. Bye guys.